In this video, we are showing how to make soil blocks. So we have this mixture, which is a mix of peat moss and perlite and compost and some fertilizer. I will post the recipe, but it's from Eliot Coleman's book. We've made this soil mix and mixed it with some water, and now we're making blocks out of it using this soil block maker. So you just push it in into the mold and press it in nicely. There you have it. So we have created these soil blocks. We have almost two full trays. Each tray has has exactly 50 blocks in it. And we are going to plant some onions and some lettuce and some cabbage in these. So the way we plant is simply we open the seed packet and just make a crease on the edge of the packet and then drop the seeds in. So for every block of onions, we are dropping 5 seeds in there. So we'll have 5 onion plants in one block. Okay, so once we plant these seeds, you can then just simply cover them up using this skewer. Like that. These blocks have a little more water than we would have liked, but I think they'll still work. And then we'll just at the end just tap them gently with your finger to press the soil on the seed, and we should be good. So we're going to plant about 40 blocks with onions now, and then a bunch of blocks with the lettuce, and then some cabbage too.